Do you know the very first part of your body that starts showing signs of aging? It's not your eyes, not even your heart. It's your legs. Because the truth is, when your legs weaken, your world starts shrinking step by step. I remember the day I realized my legs weren't what they used to be. Climbing the stairs felt heavier, walking to the garden seemed longer, and getting up from my chair took an extra breath. That day, I sat quietly and thought, if I lose the strength in my legs, I lose the freedom to move through life. Our legs carry the weight of our entire existence. They take us to the people we love, to the places that give us peace and help us stand tall through every challenge. But as we age, something begins to happen silently. Muscle mass decreases, joints stiffen, circulation slows. And before we even notice it, our legs whisper, "I'm getting tired." Yet here's the good news. With the right foods, care, and awareness, you can rebuild that strength. You can make your legs feel alive again, more stable, more energetic, and ready to carry you wherever your heart wants to go. So in today's video, I want to share 6 powerful foods that can help you strengthen your legs, improve blood flow, and protect your muscles as you age. These are not just random foods. They're life-giving choices that can change how you move, stand, and live, and trust me, I've lived through it. So every word I share comes straight from experience. 1. Salmon, the muscle healer. I still remember my doctor's advice after I complained about weak knees and calf pain. He said, start eating salmon twice a week. I was surprised. How could fish make my legs stronger? Then I learned the secret. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s reduce inflammation, protect your joints, and help repair tiny muscle tears that come with aging. Salmon also provides high-quality protein, the building block your leg muscles crave. It's like sending small repairmen to every corner of your legs, rebuilding what time has slowly taken away. If you don't like salmon, don't worry. Sardines, trout, or even flax seeds can help too. The key is consistency. Eat it regularly, and you'll feel your legs getting lighter, stronger, and more flexible. Have you ever noticed how your legs feel after a few days of eating healthy protein? Tell me in the comments, and I'd love to know your experience. 2. Oats, fuel for endurance. There was a time I would skip breakfast thinking tea and toast were enough. But my mornings often felt slow and my legs heavy. Then I started adding a bowl of oats every morning, and what a difference it made. Oats are rich in complex carbohydrates, giving your body long-lasting energy instead of short spikes. They also contain magnesium and iron, which improve circulation and deliver oxygen to your leg muscles. When your muscles get enough oxygen, fatigue fades and movement feels effortless. Add fresh fruits, nuts, or a spoon of honey to your oatmeal, and it becomes a perfect energy booster. Your legs will thank you every morning you feed them this steady stream of fuel. Or spinach, the green powerhouse. When I was younger, my mother always said, "Eat your greens if you want strong legs like a soldier." I used to laugh, but now I understand. Spinach truly is a miracle for aging muscles. It's packed with nitrates, which help widen your blood vessels, improving blood flow to your legs. This means more nutrients, more oxygen, and faster recovery after even a short walk or climb. Spinach also delivers vitamin K, vital for bone strength and preventing falls or fractures. I remember one afternoon when I struggled to walk up a hill. After months of adding spinach to my meals and soups, omelets, and salads, I could climb that same hill again without stopping. That's when I knew food is medicine, and spinach is one of nature's strongest ones. 4. Almonds, the tiny energy giants. Every morning, I take a handful of almonds and soak them overnight. It's a small ritual that changed my life. These little nuts are full of vitamin E, magnesium, and healthy fats that keep your muscles strong and joints flexible. As we age, our muscles lose tone, and our legs often feel stiff. Almonds help by improving nerve function and reducing cramps. Magnesium plays a big role here. It helps your muscles relax after they contract, preventing that nighttime leg pain many of us know too well. Just a handful a day is enough. If almonds aren't your favorite, try walnuts or pistachios. They're equally powerful. But remember, eat them raw or lightly roasted, not salted. Have you noticed how a simple handful of nuts can keep you going through the day? Share your favorite in the comments below. 5. Sweet potatoes, nature's energy storage. When I first tasted roasted sweet potatoes in the winter, I didn't think of them as a health food. but they're one of the best sources of potassium, vitamin C, and fiber, all essential for leg strength. Potassium keeps your muscles from cramping. Vitamin C helps produce collagen, which supports your tendons and ligaments. And fiber helps manage blood sugar levels, keeping your energy steady so your legs don't tire easily. Sweet potatoes are nature's slow-burning energy packs. Bake them, mash them, or toss them into salads. Your body will thank you for the warmth and nourishment they bring. And every bite reminds you, strength can taste sweet too. 6. Eggs. The foundation of strength. I used to skip eggs because I feared cholesterol. But research and experience taught me that whole eggs are one of the most complete foods for aging muscles. Each egg contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to rebuild muscle tissue. The vitamin D in eggs also helps maintain bone density, reducing the risk of falls or fractures. And the choline inside supports nerve function, helping your legs move with coordination and control. I began eating 1 boiled egg every morning with a little black pepper and olive oil. Within weeks, I felt my balance return, my steps steadier, my confidence growing. Because when your legs grow stronger, so does your spirit. Bonus tip: water, the forgotten nutrient. I can't end this list without mentioning something we often overlook: hydration. Dehydration is one of the silent enemies of aging muscles. When you don't drink enough water, your blood flow slows down and your muscles stiffen like old leather. Drink at least 6 to 8 glasses a day. If plain water feels boring, try adding lemon, cucumber, or mint. Your legs will love the refreshment. Remember, muscles need water as much as they need food. Real-life reflection. A few years ago, I met an old friend at a park. We were both in our 70s, but he was walking briskly, smiling, enjoying every step. I asked him, "What's your secret?" He laughed and said, "I treat my legs like family. I feed them well and listen when they complain." That line stayed with me. Because our legs truly are family. They carry us from our first steps to our last journeys. They deserve care, patience, and nourishment. Every bite of good food, every glass of water, every gentle stretch, it all adds up to a longer, more independent life. Gentle movement matters. 2 food alone isn't enough. Your legs love movement. Even simple activities like walking in your garden, stretching in the morning, or climbing a few stairs keep your circulation alive. You don't need to run marathons. You just need to move with intention. Think of it like this. Every time you walk, you remind your legs they still belong to you, and they'll answer with strength, loyalty, and grace. Aging doesn't have to mean slowing down. It means living wiser. Your legs may weaken first, but they're also the easiest part to rebuild if you care for them with love and consistency. Eat foods that heal. Salmon, oats, spinach, almonds, sweet potatoes, and eggs. Drink water like it's your daily medicine, and never forget that strength begins in your plate, not your gym. I've learned that when your legs grow stronger, your confidence returns. You stand taller, walk further, and feel younger. Not because of years, but because of energy. So, start today. Feed your body what it deserves. Your legs have carried you all your life. Now it's your turn to carry them with care. If this video touched your heart or helped you learn something new, please give it a thumbs up. It truly helps. And subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you never miss another video filled with care, health, and inspiration. And if you'd like to learn more about foods that keep your heart and joints young, check out the next video right here. Thank you for watching. Take care of your legs, and they'll take you everywhere you dream to go.